He got away this time. We need to think of something else for next time. Jintu, listen. What I need you to do is...
No. Anything else but not this. Anything else, please, please.
Huh? What did you do? Take it back. Get me back to normal.
Vir, come out. You look so cute in that dress.
Hi, Auntie. Come, let's go out somewhere so that the thief sees you and sends the parrot here to steal.
Come on, Vir. Huh? What am I seeing? What am I seeing?
My dear Mittu, I will show you which house you need to go to and steal from.
What get-up are you in today?
Oh, this is Jintu's kindness.
Jintu, that's you! Good.
Jintu, quickly undo all this. I can't go outside in this get-up. And you too get back to normal.
Okay, boss.
He was sitting on our rooftop and squawking away. You were right, Vir.
Jintu, you go and sleep in the same get-up. And Grandpa, you can keep the parrot in Jintu's room.
Jintu, do exactly what Aunt had explained to you.
What will this do now?
This robot will follow the parrot, and by tracking this robot, I can reach the owner of that parrot.
That parrot flew away with the jewelry.
Go and follow him now.
Vir the Robot Boy. Vir the Robot Boy. The Robot Boy.
System start.
Very good, my dear Mittu. Well done. Take this. Here is your reward.
Thank you.